Bot and Sophia are advanced humanoid robots. Teslabot is used for industrial and household automation. It is designed to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks. It uses Tesla's AI and neural networks, similar to Tesla's Autopilot. It can navigate autonomously, recognize objects, and perform complex tasks. Sophia is used for social interaction, AI research, and entertainment. She uses advanced natural language processing to have conversations. She can recognize faces and emotions. AI-driven personality allows it to respond engagingly. She can simulate facial expressions such as smiling, frowning, and blinking. Teslabot can walk, lift objects, and interact with tools. It is designed for dexterity and fine motor control. It can assist in factories. It can move objects, and assemble items. It will be used in household chores such as cooking, cleaning, and grocery shopping in the future. It can perform dangerous or repetitive tasks to reduce human labor. Sophia has limited physical movement. She is not designed for heavy lifting or industrial work. It can engage in conversations and interviews. It can act as a brand ambassador and AI research platform. It can provide companionship and customer service in specific environments. Teslabot is designed for practical, labor-intensive work. Sophia is an interactive AI meant for conversation and human-like interactions.